When it comes to tackling DIY projects, home repairs, or professional construction work, having the right drill bit set can make all the difference between a clean, precise job and a frustrating experience. Drill bits may look simple, but the materials they're made from, the coatings they use, and the way they're designed all directly impact performance, durability, and versatility. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, plastic, tile, or masonry, choosing the right set ensures smoother drilling, less wear on your tools, and better overall results. In this guide, we're diving into the top 5 best drill bit sets for 2026, helping you find the perfect all-purpose kit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off with our number 5 pick, the KFD 1/8 P12 drill bit set is a straightforward and practical choice for basic drilling tasks. This set is designed for everyday use, making it a solid option for beginners or homeowners who need a reliable set for occasional repairs. The bits are typically made from standard steel and follow a traditional twist design, which is widely used for drilling into wood, plastic, and light metals. What makes this set appealing is its simplicity. It's easy to use, compatible with most drills, and gets the job done for common household tasks like assembling furniture or fixing fixtures. While it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty or industrial work, it offers dependable performance for light applications. If you're just starting out or need a backup set for simple jobs, this one is a practical and affordable option. Moving on to number 4, the DeckerCat 7-piece dry diamond drill bits set brings a completely different level of capability to the table. Unlike standard drill bits, these are designed specifically for hard and brittle materials such as tile, glass, ceramics, and stone. Instead of cutting with sharp edges, diamond drill bits use an abrasive surface that grinds through tough materials with precision. This makes them ideal for tasks like installing bathroom fixtures, drilling through tiles for plumbing, or working with delicate surfaces where traditional bits would crack or break the material. The DeckerCat set is especially useful for specialized projects, and while it's not an all-purpose kit for wood or metal, it's an essential addition for anyone who works with masonry or tile. The durability and precision of these bits make them stand out in their category, giving you clean, accurate holes even in challenging materials. At number 3, the RuRickKit M2 HSS drill bit kit offers a well-balanced solution for everyday versatility. High-speed steel, commonly known as HSS, is one of the most widely used materials for drill bits because it can handle a variety of surfaces, including wood, plastic, and softer metals. This makes the RuRickKit set a great all-around choice for DIY enthusiasts and home workshops. The bits are designed to maintain sharpness and provide consistent performance, making them reliable for repeated use. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is its range of sizes, ensuring you have the right bit for different tasks. Whether you're drilling pilot holes, enlarging openings, or working on mixed material projects, this set covers a wide range of needs. While HSS bits may not be as durable as cobalt when it comes to very hard metals, they offer an excellent balance of performance and affordability, making them a popular choice for general-purpose use. Stepping up to number 2, the Comaware Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set takes durability and versatility to the next level. These bits are made from high-speed steel but are coated with titanium, which significantly improves their strength, heat resistance, and lifespan. The titanium coating reduces friction during drilling, allowing the bits to stay cooler and sharper for longer periods. This makes them ideal for extended use and tougher materials compared to standard HSS bits. The Comaware set is designed to handle wood, plastic, and light to medium metals with ease, making it one of the most versatile options on the list. Another advantage is the precision ground tips, which help reduce walking and ensure accurate drilling right from the start. This is especially useful when working on detailed projects where accuracy matters. The combination of durability, performance, and versatility makes this set a strong choice for both DIY users and professionals who need reliable all-purpose drill bits. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Maxscope Cobalt Drill Bit Set, a premium option built for serious performance and heavy-duty applications. Cobalt drill bits are known for their exceptional strength and heat resistance, making them ideal for drilling into hard metals such as stainless steel, cast iron, and other tough materials. Unlike coated bits, cobalt is part of the metal itself, which means the durability doesn't wear off over time. This allows the bits to maintain their cutting performance even after extensive use. The Maxscope set stands out for its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease, providing clean and precise holes in materials that would quickly dull standard bits. It's the kind of set that professionals rely on for consistent results in challenging conditions. While it may come at a higher price point, the long lifespan and superior performance make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who frequently works with metal or needs a top-tier drill bit set. Choosing the right drill bit set ultimately depends on the type of work you plan to do. If your projects are mostly light and occasional, a basic set like the KFD 1/8 P12 will meet your needs without overcomplicating things. For specialized tasks involving tile or glass, a diamond set like DeckerCat is essential to achieve clean results without damaging the material. If you're looking for a versatile everyday solution, the Rurikit HSS kit provides a great balance of performance and affordability. For those who want improved durability and longer-lasting performance across multiple materials, the Comaware Titanium set is a smart upgrade. And if you need maximum strength and reliability for heavy-duty metal work, the Maxscope Cobalt set is the best choice available. It's also important to consider proper usage and maintenance to get the most out of your drill bits. Using the correct speed for the material you're drilling into can significantly extend the life of your bits. For example, slower speeds are better for metal, while higher speeds work well for wood. Applying steady pressure without forcing the bit helps prevent overheating and damage. For metal drilling, using a cutting fluid or lubricant can reduce heat and improve performance. Keeping your bits clean and storing them properly also helps maintain their sharpness and effectiveness over time. Another factor to keep in mind is compatibility. Most drill bit sets are designed to work with standard drill chucks, but it's always a good idea to ensure that the sizes and shank types match your drill. Quick-change hex shanks can be particularly convenient for users who frequently switch between bits, as they allow for faster changes and improved efficiency during projects. In the end, investing in a quality drill bit set is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your toolbox. The right set not only improves the quality of your work, but also saves you time and effort by reducing the need for replacements and rework. Whether you're a beginner tackling small home projects or a professional working on demanding tasks, having the right drill bits ensures that you're always prepared for the job. And that wraps up our guide to the top 5 best drill bit sets for 2026. From the simple and practical KFD 1/8 P12 drill bits, the specialized DeckerCat diamond drill bits, the versatile Rurikit M2 HSS drill bit kit, the durable Comaware Titanium twist drill bit set, to our top pick, the powerful Maxscope Cobalt drill bit set, there's a perfect option here for every type of user and every kind of project. Which drill bit set are you planning to add to your toolkit this year? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals so you can grab the best drill bit set for your needs today. Thanks for watching.